everybody, and welcome back to the Creative Kindergarten YouTube channel. My name is Amanda, and today I'm going to do like a quick tutorial to show you how I made these cool wooden gem beads. I put holes in them so that these would be great for stacking on skewers or to use with pipe cleaners to thread them. Great for a fine motor activity to add to your building center. I made them in all kinds of different colors and they came out so cute. I had this idea to make them a couple weeks ago, and so I tried it out and they turned out really well. So I thought I would put together like a quick little tutorial on how to do them. I am not like a huge like DIY person. I don't make big projects. So these are pretty easy to make. So if you have some basic tools around and you want to try it out, I thought I would put together the step-by-steps on how to make them. Just make sure that if you like this video, you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll put out little videos like this having to do with like different topics for the kindergarten classroom and, you know, doing little projects like this. So make sure you subscribe if you like this video and want to see more tutorials like this. Make sure you like this video and leave me a comment down below if you think I should try any other classroom DIY projects like this. But yeah, I will get on to showing you exactly how I made these. I'm starting off this DIY in my office on my desk just because it has good light and, you know, it's stable so I can measure out. These are the pieces of wood that I am using to make these wooden gems. I am first going to measure off where I want to cut this longer piece down to more cube-sized pieces. Now we're going to use this table saw and start cutting all of the individual pieces so that we can have all the cubes ready. Now we're using a drill press to put the holes into the middle of the cubes to make them into beads. The next thing we're doing now is using a belt sander to sand all of the cubes to make them look like gems. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take like a microfiber cloth with a bit of water on it, and I'm going to clean all of them so that they're ready to paint. They all look great. They're all sanded, and I just want to make sure they're nice and clean before I start painting them. The next part of this is now just painting all of the different gems, different colors. I've picked out a few different types of paint. I've got this yellow, this green. I have a blue that has seen better days, a white, and then I'm hoping to mix this pink in with the white and create like a lighter pink, and then also a purple, which I hope to do the same thing, is kind of like mix it in with the white, just get a nice pastel more color of that. So yeah, now I'm just working on painting all of the gems. Now I've painted all the gems. The last thing will be to just seal it all in to make sure that, you know, the paint doesn't get chipped off. And there's the cat. The last thing to do now before we can use the wooden gems is to use a clear coat in order to protect the paint so it doesn't chip. So yeah, that's how I made these wooden gem beads. They weren't that hard to make. It was like a Saturday project with my husband that we just went into the garage and got these done really quickly. It hardly cost me anything. I bought like the 2 wooden pieces that I cut out into smaller cubes. I think for the 2 of them, it was like $12 for them. And I got, I think, 30 beads out of them, and everything else I just had lying around my house. So I was able to use like supplies that I already had. But yeah, I think they turned out great. Again, if you like this kind of content, make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. And if you like seeing videos like this, make sure you hit that like button. And again, let me know in the comments, what do you think? What else should I make to have for the classroom?